All right, great day to be great. Check this out. Made this cool new AirBNB type style website. Learned it from easy tutorials, and now I'm gonna walk you through how I did it. There's the home page. We got like different stays, like showing like different apartments you got or condos you got. And then maybe like zooming in on the actual stay place. Boom, and then the detail of that property, looking fresh. All right, look at that. And you got the map in there, skills. All right, let me show you how I did it. Close this, close out the code, and we're gonna start from scratch. Create a new folder, control click, new folder, and then I called it Stay BNB. And then in the description of my video, I got the images. Go ahead and drop it in there. And then we're gonna start with a new Visual Studio Code. All right, this first one is a new file. So index.html. Go ahead and add that there. And then let's already go ahead and go style.css. Boom, saved, and you're ready to go. All right, so for our index.html, let me zoom in so you can see really well. All right, go ahead and start with an exclamation point and enter. All right, this gives you the global structure of a web page. And then let's call it Stay BNB. All right, save. I can zoom out a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and give it a header. There it is. If you put the dot in front of header, then it already creates it into a class. Go ahead and press enter, and now we're gonna start styling the header. Okay, let's give it a nav with an ID called navbar. Boom. There you go. And then in this navbar, we're gonna have an anchor tag. Whoops, an anchor tag. And the href is going to be index.html. And this is us entering the logo in there. So let's go img. And within our img, we're putting images and we're putting our logo. Got a lot of pictures for this site. Not small, just normal logo right here, logo. And then let's switch out this alt and make it a class. And in this class, give it the class logo. Good? Make sure to save that. You can hit a go live. Boom. Let me close that. All right, this is where our website is at right now. All right. Boom, boom. Saved. Okay. So now under the A, let's go here and let's give it a UL tags. In this UL tag, give it class equals nav links. Sweet. And now I want some LIs. Inside the LIs, we're gonna be some anchor tags. This one is gonna be index.html. Inside here, let's give that the class equals active. Very good. And here's gonna be home. Save that. Good. We can go ahead and copy these. We're gonna have 3 of them total. Copy, paste, paste. Leave these as in, actually just put hashtag. We're gonna change these later. Change these later. And take off active for these ones, because it's not going to be active initially. And instead of home, let's go stays and featured stay. Sweet. There you go. Got that going right there. Very good. Right now our logo is not visible because, just in case you were wondering, if you see logo right here, see how it's white? So it's just blending in with the background. But don't worry, we're gonna see it in a second. All right, so we got our UL. And then after that, under this UL, let's go put an anchor tag again. Boom, boom. First, for now, just put in hashtag for where it's gonna go to. Add a class equals register BTN. Good. And it's gonna be book now. Save that. And then we need, all right, I'm gonna go there quick. So under Font Awesome, let's get your Font Awesome kit. Font Awesome. Get your Font Awesome kit. There you go. Let me sign in. All right, go to your kits. Boom. Take this for yours. And then at the bottom, under this div, on top, really on top of the body, go ahead and paste that there, your script. And save that. Good? You always want to put your JavaScript at the bottom. There, save. Okay, so then what that allows us to do is, I want those like the hamburger bars. So if you see, like as the menu, so if I go icons and then bars, so it's free, this right here, copy solid bars, there it is, got it copied. And you can paste that right there. Bar, save, boom. Save that, and then you'll see, there's my bars right there. All right, website looks great, right? Haha, there's no styles going to it. So, what we need to do is, here's our style CSS. Let's go ahead and link our style CSS first. So let's go link, rel sheet, and then we can just do style.css. Now it is properly linked. And so now we can hit here. Let's go and get us the font that we want to use. Let's go to Google Fonts. And I've been liking Poppins. And then you can go down. Let's maybe go, let's go 300. Nice. Okay, I've been liking this right here. Importing it, copy, and then in my CSS, I can just paste it right there. Good. And then let's go some universal styles first. There you go. And then we're going to go margin 0, padding 0, and then we're going to apply this font family to everything, and that is just this right here. If you copy that, then you go boom, paste, and then box sizing, border box. Very good. Save. All right. So that gets us set. So let's get this set organized. See how the font is different. Very good. Got 0 margin, 0 padding. That's why it's right up against the wall. Okay. So now, the first thing we want to style is our header section. So let's copy this. Header, keep our code organized. Header, very good. And now, let's go to our HTML. We gave it the class header, so go ahead and copy that. And come on back. And now we hit a dot, because it's a class, and paste. So now we are targeting everything that's inside of the header. Let's go min height to be 100 VH. That's the viewport height. Very good. Next, we'll go width. So it's the full size of the page is going to be 100%. Awesome. We're going to go now background image. Put a tab here. Background image. And let's go linear gradient. RGBA. Parentheses. 0, 0, 0, 0.3. Very good. Go ahead and copy that. We're going to do that twice. So you can copy. Put a comma there, space, yes. Very good. Okay, and now you got 2 parentheses. Now go outside of that, and let's go comma, URL. Very good. And let's go images, boom, and banner. Nice. Make sure linear gradient is closed in these, see these pink parentheses here, and then comma outside with the URL. I messed up on that earlier. Check it out, and now we should have our picture. Now you can see our logo because our background isn't just white. But you know how you see how it's kind of cut off? The way to fix that, let's go background size. We want it to cover. Save that. All right, see how it covers the whole thing. And then background position, center, and save that. Good. Nice and organized. Okay. Target can go to our HTML. We're going to target this nav tag right here. That's a type selector. We can copy that and just paste right there. Curly brace. There you go. And we want display, flex, align items, center, justify content, space between. You can save that. See how we're going side by side, boom, boom, boom. And then now let's add a margin since it's chopped off at the end. Margin. 20px top and bottom, and then 7% left and right. Boom. So now we have some space here. Very good. Okay. Now we got our logo right here. You can copy this. For us to style it, we're going to go dot logo, because that's a class. And I want the width to be 140px, semicolon. And let's go cursor pointer, so that when we're on it, boom, it's a smaller size, and you see the little Mickey Mouse hand on there. Cursor pointer. Good. All right. Next, we're going to check it out. See, we got nav links right here. Copy. It's in the UL, nav links, and we're targeting the LI right here. So the way we do that is dot nav links space LI semicolon, curly braces, and then list style, we want it to be none. Save. What that does, it takes away those dots. And then we want it to be displayed inline block. Inline block, so that those will also be side by side. Boom, boom, boom. That's what inline block does. And then let's give it some margin. So you see how they're all crammed together? Let's give it some margin. 10px, that's top and bottom, and then 30px side to side, semicolon. 10px, 30px, now we got spaces, featured state. All right. Now same thing here. Actually get all of it right here. But now adding the A for the anchor tag. What we want is to get rid of the blue and the line. You go text, decoration, none. And we want the color of the words to be white. Save. Boom. Words are white. Good. All right. And then we're going to clean up the register button. So that is right here. Command C. Paste. Got to put the dot first. Curly braces. Enter. Good. Okay. So now we want background to be white. That's the button that we're working with. That's this that we're working with now. Okay. Color to be 000, black. The words, see now it's black. And let's go padding 8px top and bottom, 20px left and right, semicolon. Save, get some space around it. Border radius, we'll make the corners rounded. Let's go 20px, semicolon. So the padding added the space, the border radius, got the corners rounded. Very good. And then, yeah, let's take off that line. So we go text decoration, none. And then adjust the font size. To 14px. Good. That looks good. All right, you see there's a little white line up here. We don't want that. We want this picture going all the way up. I think I know my mistake. Go all the way up. See on this nav, I put margin 20px. I actually meant to put padding. Boom. There you go. And now we're all the way to the top. And it's nice and organized. All right, so we got our first section complete. Looks pretty good. Nav bar, done.